Hello guys, I'm Bob and you're watching Tech Talk. Hi guys, in the second part of my video how to build a budget gaming computer for €110 in 2020, I will show you how to boot into BIOS and install Windows 10. You need a bootable USB drive with Windows 10 on it. If you don't own a USB drive with Windows 10 on it, I can easily show you in my other videos how to make it for free on your own. So let's turn this baby on and see if it's going to boot. So guys, I hooked everything together. I have the Windows 10 USB stick here. Let's fire up this baby and see what happens. Okay, F2 to run setup. We want to merge this. Okay, so we have our Intel E5 processor, we have our 2x4 gigs DDR3 memory with dual channel. Let's go direct into boot. And we want to choose our UEFI SanDisk USB device. Now save configurations and yes. The loading process may actually be a little longer because we don't have an USB 3 and now it needs to read from our USB stick. So here it is, our load screen. Okay, so here it asks what kind of language to install. We have only English, like I choose. We have time and currency format, we can leave it like this. If you want, or if you live somewhere else, you can choose from here, but your display language will be still in English. We leave this input method and we type next. So we want to choose install now. Here it asks about our product key. If you have one, it doesn't matter, an old system like XP or Windows 7, it's still a big chance that it will work. I don't have one at hand, so I'll choose I don't have a product key. Now here we must choose what kind of version we want to install. If we had a key, normally it goes automatic and it chooses the suitable version for you. In our case, I can choose, but I'm always using the Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Pro. They're all 64 architectures. I just want to type next. Here's our license agreement. We don't have a choice. We accept it. Now here we must use a custom install Windows only, and here now are our drives. They're drive 0 and drive 1. In our case, our drive 1 with 240 gigs is the Samsung Evo SSD inside. It never really shows the amount of memory you have on your package. It's always a little less. In our case, we're missing the 17 gigabytes, and this is what we have, a 232.9 gigabyte. We want to format this. We will lose everything that we have on that drive, so you have to keep this in mind. Press OK. Now it's finished. We can type next, and it starts doing its thing. It's very important the first time when it restarts to remove the USB, because there's a great chance that it will boot into Windows setup again. It didn't took long. They were about 2 to 3 minutes at most. So now we have to be ready to unplug our USB. Okay, take it out. We can leave it, it restarts alone in 2 seconds anyway. So here it goes. Our first loading screen. So guys, we need to choose our region. I will still choose United Kingdom. Keyboard also. No, we didn't want more. I'll just say I don't have internet. I don't want this. I need to give it a setup so I can make my things in peace. Okay, we need to type our user. I'll just write Intel V5 You can write your name or whatever you like, or just name the machine on its processor. Next. Password, we don't need one. If you do need, here's the place where you need to put it in. Next. I don't want to use speech recognition. No. My location. No, my computer cannot go anywhere alone. Basic diagnosis. We don't have typing. No diagnostic data. No advertising ID. Don't want this. No Cortana, no thank you. So here. We're almost ready. We need to wait a couple of minutes and everything will be set up. Okay, we're ready. You can still go into my computer here and press the second button, the right button, into properties, and here we have it. Our Intel E5 2300 with 8 gigs of RAM. Here shows our Windows activation. We didn't have any key. We can now look for one, purchase one, and we just need to connect it to the internet, what I'm about to do right now, so we can update it first. As you saw, installing Windows 10 on an old machine is actually pretty easy. This guy here was performing very good, and this is thanks to our SSD drive that we installed. Watch my third video in which I will show you how this baby actually works while gaming. I have GTA 5 and Borderlands 3 installed so that we can see how many frame rates actually it can give us. So guys, stay safe and be tuned.